Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the product. In this video, we're exploring KeyBank, a digital banking platform. KeyBank offers a suite of financial services, ranging from everyday checking and savings accounts to more specialized options like mortgages, personal loans, and investment solutions. Their online interface aims to provide a seamless and user-friendly experience for managing your finances. Whether you're looking to streamline your everyday banking, secure a home loan, or explore investment opportunities, KeyBank presents a centralized platform to handle your diverse financial needs. They also offer educational resources and tools to assist you in making informed decisions about your money. KeyBank strives to provide competitive interest rates and flexible terms on its products. They also focus on security measures to protect your financial information. Before making any decisions, it's always advisable to carefully review the terms and conditions, fees, and features associated with each product offered by KeyBank to ensure it aligns with your specific financial goals and circumstances. It's also worth comparing their offerings with those of other financial institutions to find the best fit for your individual needs. Remember, thorough research and comparison shopping are crucial when making financial decisions. You should consider factors like interest rates, fees, customer service, and the overall convenience of the platform before choosing the right banking partner for you. KeyBank positions itself as a comprehensive financial solution, but ultimately, it's essential to determine whether their services are a suitable match for your personal financial landscape. So, take your time, explore the website, and don't hesitate to utilize the available resources and tools to make the most informed choice. Consider your short-term and long-term financial goals before committing to any particular financial product. Remember, managing your finances effectively requires proactive planning and diligent research.